Hi, today we're going to be taking on Boston Review at Spin Masters, Bakugan Battle Planet, Bakugan Resistance 10 card booster pack. So yeah, link down below to the Bakugan and .com and spinmaster.com. Links down below in the description there. So yeah, they said that they have this app. The app is garbage. I had the app for my phone. I took it off because I needed more memory for something. And I tried to reinstall it and I was like, oh no, the app doesn't reinstall anymore because it's not compatible with your phone. Like, what the F, man? It was compatible a couple months with my phone because I was downloading and I was playing on it. Now it's not compatible anymore. So yeah, the app is not that great. The show is definitely garbage. I would say, at least the old Bakugan shows were way, way, way better. At least, they try explaining things a little bit better. And you felt a little bit more closer relationship with the Bakugan and the characters that kind of controlled them. Like, it was Dan Kuzo, who owned Dragonoid Drago. Yeah, you kind of got a little more, okay, he owns a Dragonoid Drago, they talk to each other, they get mad at each other, they battle with each other, they Bakugan battle and stuff, nice. Touching. A great developed anime story. Was this one, it just feels lazy as all the kids' actions in there. Where you're like, I'm gonna sleep all day on the couch. Then I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna get a sandwich, and then I'm gonna watch a little bit of YouTube, and then back to sleep on the couch. Just like, oh, wait, that's why I can't go back to sleep on the couch after watching YouTube, because now I got Bakugan Battle Ball, Bakugan, Bakugan Stand. Okay, use that Baka Core. And then upload it to YouTube, and then back to sleep on the couch again. I mean, it didn't have any excitement. It didn't feel like, oh, why? It's an intense, fierce battle. Two Bakugan brawling. Now they're using another Bakugan. Now they're using Baka Cores. Now they're using Baka Cars. Now they're finally using Baka Gear and stuff. No, it's like, whatever. If my Bakugan wins, it won. If it lost, it lost. It's Bakugan. I mean, like, where is the power of Bakugan anymore? Seriously. Because it's, like, gone in that show. Now, I don't know why they put them in these little boxes like this, which is kind of okay. I mean, I love the artwork on the box, but first collectors, it's garbage. I mean, time you whip the box open to get the pad out, I mean, yeah, look. What type of collector wants to have a box that's like this to, pin on the wall or something? No one. That's who. I know Pokemon does it with some of their booster pads, and definitely Pokemon does it with big old pads like this. Like, can't you just put a flap on there that folds in and tabs, or put like a little seal type of sticker on there that you gotta cut the little sticker open and then break the seal like that way? I mean, come on, that would be a way better, smart thing for packaging this line wise. Or why not just sell them loose like this and put a little metal, like little bar on there, the little security tape bar, but just don't put it like on the outside, like actually put it on the inside of the package. This way, if you try to steal a card, it goes beep, 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 and you're like, oh man, I got caught stealing a pack of cards. It wasn't anything cool like a TV or an Xbox or a PS4 or a Nintendo Switch or anything like that. It was a pair of cards. Me personally, now I had never got caught because I never stole, but you know what I mean. Or why don't they do like how some of the Yu-Gi-Oh pats do, where they take the pads and they put them in like those little blister pads, where you tear open the back of the useless cardboard and then you still have the pads that are still good and stuff. These are a lot of great ideas I'm throwing out for Pokemon Company International and Bakugan and any other company that's like, hey, we'll just put them in cardboard box. The bots, we spent a lot of time on the artwork of the bots, but now it looks kind of junky because time you open up the bots, it's all whipped up and stuff. So, yeah, companies, if you're going to put it in a box like this, make sure that it has like some little flap on there with a tab, and then maybe like a little sticker to kind of seal that tab. That'd be a way better idea. I mean, like if I ever owned a company that was selling cars, I put it in a box like this, the box would definitely not be completely like this because it'll be changed up to where, you know, I said it's gonna have that tab on there. I mean, look at this. It's just getting torn up, just trying to get to its tab card. And there's the cards in there, as you can see. Yeah. But now let the box kind of like all whip and torn back there, stuff. And then it's all dented and stuff. Ugh. I don't know if you can see this, but there is a little notch there to open up. Like that. Let's open it up and see what cards we got in here. So, that's what the bats look like. Here's the front. Dazzle. Conceal flip. Stop a Bakugan holding what looks like a DNA core. And it's kind of funny that they went with the Kachu Bakugan. So it looks like it's from Chaos. Then we have Chaos, Titan, Noid, cost 4, 900B, Evolve, Punch Fist 5. You may reroll this once each turn if you miss a roll with it. Not that bad. Dark Path, cost 2, Darkness, plus 300B. Hyper Goaf, cost 2, 400B. Pyrus, Evolve, 6 Punch, then shows like a jab, plus 200, and then plus 4 for punch. You may reroll this once each turn if you miss a roll with it. Okay, then we have another Hyper Mantisnoid. This one being in Pyrus. Let me put that card down for a second. So he costs 2, this one costs 4. 700, 900, 5, 3, with a reroll Tets. And nothing. Then you have Hyper Pegatrex. Cost 4, Pyrus, 800B, Evolve, 10 Punch. Again, you may reroll it. So a lot of these ones in this resurgence pack is Hyper ones. They're rerollable. Then we have, I guess this one is Diamond Class now, because now they add a new element, Diamond. Maximus, Quad, Archer, cost 7, 1200 B, Evolve, Punch 15. So that one looks pretty good. Then we have Darkness. Ooh, I'm sorry. Maybe this one is Diamond, because actually this looks like Terrace, but I'm not seeing Terrace anymore. So I don't know if this is Terrace, because I don't know. Maybe this is Chaos, which is the light element. Which I think on my other pack I made a mistake. I called it Diamond because I didn't see Terrace. I was trying to think of Chaos, which I believe was the light element. So this one actually shows a diamond, so I guess it is a diamond one. For Paris 4, B, Evolve, Punch 9. Then here Titan, Twas, Ultra, which let's. Oh, so we have Titan, and then we have Maximus. They're both for the Trods, but yeah, so Pyrus 5, 100,000 B. Evolve Punch is 3. It's kind of got like a red metallic text on there. When you play this, give a Bakugan +1 punch and 2 fireballs. And then we have blinding light. Blinded by the light. Cost 2 action. +2 B for each hero card you have in play. So I guess that's a hero action, or maybe that is, I don't know, chaos or something. Which was the light, which now they turned to white instead of yellow. I don't know. The new Bakugan's weird. With Bale Planet. And it's a Hollow Foil one. Well, actually, it's more than Hollow Foil. I guess it's a Hollow B Core Foil or Hollow Core Foil. Because if you remember, it was Yu-Gi-Oh! They had Shattered Foiled, and then they had Star Foiled. So for following Yu-Gi-Oh! Foil laws and logic, I guess this would be Bakucore Foiled. So, yep. Not a bad pull that we got here. A lot of the Ultras and Evolution cards from this Resurgence pack. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.